comes a quick CP train here at Donagani. Perfect. Just like Lucas said. Yeah, see Lucas. There's that little tip-off. This is an eastbound CP train. He said it was just left Smith Falls and it was on the way, and there it is. Thanks a lot, man. Merci bien. So it's just a little bit past 5 p.m. here in Pointe Claire on Donagani Street, near the Daysource ramps. August 17th, sorry, August as if. April 17th, 2021. I got 8 minutes left of film time, so this will probably be my last train of the day. This is a pretty decent spot. I'm standing on top of some concrete slabs. Oh, here comes the DPU. That's what the noise is, okay. Ooh, smoke it up there, boy. I love that. More mixed freight. Shake things up a little bit. Yeah, this is a pretty decent spot. Standing on these concrete blocks, you can see above the fences. The traffic doesn't bother too much. Kind of adds sometimes some interest when a bus goes by or something. Oh, look at that. I mean, it is elaborate. I'll grant you that. Better than just a squiggle. Nothing's more annoying than just somebody squiggle tagging. If you're gonna do something artistic. Santa Fe. I love to see those ghost railroads, you know. Santa Fe doesn't exist anymore. Hasn't existed for probably years. Wow, like 30 years almost. Time flies, just like this train. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.